हेलो।
हेलो सर।
यस यस।
सर हिंदी आता है सर आपको?
Oh, English, English.
Yes sir, you have to do your KYC for this number sir. Okay,
Okay.
because your KYC is pending sir, so I am going to verify your KYC, so you have to do your KYC by yourself only. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so open your Play Store on your mobile sir.
What, what are you, how are you saying?
Play Store sir, Play Store, open your Play Store.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, have you opened your Play Store sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, and search for VI KYC quick support.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah sir, have you searched?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what is showing on?
Sorry?
What is showing on, sir? After searching VI KYC quick support, what is showing on, sir?
Okay, okay. Can I record this call?
No, no, sir. You have to do the process right now, sir.
Can I record this call?
No, no, sir. You have to do the process right now on the line, sir. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Open your Play Store, sir.
Because my internet is slow, no? That's why.
What is slow, sir?
My internet is slow, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. So take a Wi-Fi, na, sir.
Take a Wi-Fi. Oh, no, I'm not doing Wi-Fi. I'm outside, that's why. I'm in a car, that's why.
You are in a car.
Yes, I don't have Wi-Fi in my car.
Okay, okay. So take a Wi-Fi from your phone, sir. Sorry, phone from your friend, sir.
Oh, from my friend. Oh, but I'm alone in the car, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. So you have to do the process, na, sir. So you are using internet with that number or another number, sir?
No, I'm using internet for my number only.
Mine one means your that number, na, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So open your Play Store, sir.
Yeah, I'm opening, but it's slow. The internet is slow.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
The internet is slow. Actually, I want you to help me. No, I'm having so much of problem with this KYC.
Why, sir?
I want you to help me.
Sir, I will do your KYC process by myself only, sir. Okay.
Oh, okay. And then it's better I do from the local than this local
No,
Vodafone.
no, sir. You just take your ATM card in your hand right now.
ATM.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
ATM
okay.
card, sir. I will do your KYC from here, sir. Take your ATM card in your hand, sir.
Okay. Oh, so mean they are calling from bank, no? I calling from bank because
No, no.
today morning some bank people they call me that I have to take KYC, so I've prepared everything. So I'll tell them every detail. They said they'll call me
Yeah,
around.
yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. So just take your ATM card in your hand, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm taking. Okay.
Yeah, just take your card. I am telling you the process, sir.
Okay, okay.
Have you taken your card, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm taking my car.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. I'm taking. What do you want from my card?
Yes, sir. You have to tell me the 16-digit verification number which is written on your card, sir.
16 digit.
Yeah, 16, sir. It is in four digits, four times, sir.
Actually, I never tell no to these bank people.
No, no, sir. I am not asking you for your PIN number, sir. You only have to tell me the verification number which is printed on your card. 18 in 16 digit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You only have to verify the 16-digit verification number, not your PIN
Okay.
number and not your account number, sir.
4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 4 is 16. Oh, 4 into 4 is 16.
Sorry?
4 into 1 is 4, right?
Sorry?
4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 4 is 16. Yes, sir. 4 into 4.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, yeah. So, sir, just tell me the number, sir.
Tell you the number.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, sir. Tell me, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you, okay?
Yeah, tell me.
1,
One,
3,
three.
1.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Sir, wait, sir, wait, sir. Sir, just wait. Your sister is came here and then I will call. I will talk with you. कैसा हंसता है देखिए ना. हेलो.
You're talking to police. Everything is in record, my dear.
Yeah. Just book a DJ, sir. Okay, and play the sound in your mother. Book a DJ, sir. Book a
I will
DJ.
call you, okay?
Call, na? Just book a DJ, sir.
1313.
13.
Why don't you write the 16 digit 131313? We repeat 400 times.
Sir, hold down, sir. You will recently receive some messages on your mobile, sir. Just hold down.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, okay, sir.
One
So,
three. Please write 13
13
13.
13. Sir, wait. Just check your mobile, sir. Whether you getting any message, sir. Whether you getting some messages, sir, on your mobile of OTP.
Oh yes, I have got, sir.
Yeah. Tring OTP, sir. Tring.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm sending you some OTPs. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir.